We met each other in the student dormitory. We both came from afar, but our paths crossed here. The first kiss happened near the clock tower, whose handles seemed to have been deliberately replaced 200 years before that moment, and gave us hours instead minutes. I still remember the magic. The clock chimed, and the heart on his tower shone, like a lighthouse. In fact, it all started much earlier, when this big rock below us blocked the mighty Danube. Later, people made this time machine. We found our constellation right there in Planetarium. We also found a transport to it, a tapestry from the gallery of Atelier 61. I must admit that Aladdin gave us the idea. We took off, and the artists of this large art colony of Serbian Montparnasse showed us the way. We are still traveling.